How to install and update HP Support Assistant in Windows 11. HP Support Assistant is a free application for Windows that provides automatic updates, diagnostics, and a variety of assistance options for your HP computer or printer. HP Support Assistant comes pre-installed on HP computers running Windows. You can access it by clicking the blue question mark icon on your desktop or going to Search and typing in HP Support Assistant. Installing HP Support Assistant. If HP Support Assistant is not installed on your computer, open a web browser and go to hp.com/go/HP Support Assistant. Click Download HP Support Assistant. If prompted, save the file in your desired location. With the file downloaded, open the file or click Run. If a Windows prompt displays, select Yes to allow changes to your computer. Click Next. Select the option to agree to the terms of the licensing agreement, then click Next to install the program. Click Next. The app installs on your computer. Click Close. To open the app, click the blue question mark icon on your desktop or go to Search and type HP Support Assistant. Click the app from the results to open it. Click Create Account Sign In to log in to HP Support Assistant and begin using it. Updating HP Support Assistant. HP Support Assistant automatically searches for the latest version of the app to keep you up to date. To schedule when HP Support Assistant checks for updates, click on the gear icon in the bottom left of the app to access Application Settings. Under Software Update Settings, you can select a weekly scheduled time that HP Support Assistant searches for updates. To find out which version of HP Support Assistant you are currently running, click About HP Support Assistant. In this window, you can see your version of HP Support Assistant, and if you'd like, click a link that will bring you to the app's homepage to learn more. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages. And search our channel to find official HP support videos.